Today we are going to discuss about example number 1, page number 41, NCERT textbook, class 10. In this example, it is given that Akhila went to a fair in her village with ₹20. She wants to have rides on the giant wheel and play hoopla. The number of times she played hoopla is half the number of rides she had on the giant wheel. Each ride costs ₹3 and a game hoopla costs ₹4. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. First we discuss the algebraic representation of given situation. Here it is given that total amount she spent on the fair is ₹20. Total amount spent ₹20, and there is a relationship between the number of rides and hoopla, and also it is given that the cost of each ride and cost of game hoopla. Cost of each ride ₹3 and cost of game hoopla ₹4. Let x represent number of rides that she had on giant wheel, and y represent number of times she played hoopla. So according to question, case 1, get number of times she played hoopla is equal to half the number of rides. So y is equal to half of x. This gives 2y is equal to x, or x minus 2y equal to 0. It is amount spent on rides on giant wheel plus amount spent on game hoopla is equal to 20. So it gives 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. X minus 2y equal to 0, and 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. Okay, it is case number 1, it is case number 2. Equation 1, x minus 2y is equal to 0. Express it in the terms of x, that is x is equal to 2y, y is equal to x upon 2. Now complete the following table by taking different real values of x. If we get x is equal to 0, we get y is equal to 0. If we put x is equal to 4, we will get four upon 2 is equal to 2. If we take equal to 6, we get y is equal to 3. Now plot the following points in Cartesian plane: 0, 0, 4, 2 and 6, 3. 0, 0. Here it is the point 0, 0. Now plot the point 4, 2. X is equal to 4, y is equal to 2. We will get this point 4, 2, and next point is 6, 3. That is x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 3. We will get 6, 3. Now join these points. We will get a straight line representing the equation x minus 2y is equal to 0. Now we consider equation number 2. 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. Now express it in terms of x, that is y is equal to 20 minus 3x upon 4. Now complete the following table by taking different values of x. Here if we put x is equal to 4, we will get y is equal to 20 minus 3 into 4 upon 4, that is 20 minus 12 upon 4 is equal to 8 upon 4 is equal to 2. So for x is equal to 4, we get y is equal to 2. Now put x is equal to 0. What we will get here? Y is equal to 20 minus 3 into 0 upon 4, that is 20 minus 0 upon 4 equal to 5. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 5. Now put x is equal to 1. What we will get here? Y is equal to 20 minus 3 into 1 upon 4, that is 20 minus 3 upon 4, that is 17 upon 4. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to 17 by 4. Now plot the following point in same graph or same Cartesian plane in which straight line of equation 1 is drawn. For plotting the points, we consider always integer values. We generally avoid the fractional values. In same graph sheet, we draw the points obtained for equation number 2. Here we take different color for equation number 2. 0, 5. For x is equal to 0, y will get y is equal to 5. And for x is equal to 4, we get y is equal to 2. Now join these 2 points. We join these 2 points. This line represent the equation 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. It is the geometrical representation of given situation. Here we observe that the line intersecting at a point. So what we conclude here? It means that the given system of equation has unique solution. Sometimes we find parallel lines, it means that system of equation has no solution. Sometimes we find coincident line, it means that given system of equation has many infinite solution. And here we observe that these 2 lines intersect at point 4, 2. It means that this system has unique solution, and unique solution is given by x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2. Thank you.